So this is the first time that the Andhra Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister has spoken on this episode. You recall that Pawan Kalyan is related to Allu Arjun. His brother Chiranjeevi is the uncle of Allu Arjun. And in this particular episode, while the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has said that Telangana's Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has been always supportive of the film industry, unlike the YSRCP leader, that he has given film industry incentives like increase in tariffs and allowing of special shows, whether it was Pushpa 2 or other films, at least 8 to 10 films that he has given concessions for in the last 1 year. And he also pointed out that the police had done what they needed to do, prioritizing public safety, but he did believe that the theatre management should have conveyed to Allu Arjun what had happened. He also said that Allu Arjun was of course very, very sorry and very shaken by the incident of the woman having died in this particular incident. He said that he was not aware of what happened behind the scenes or in front of the scenes. He is not aware of those incidents, but he felt that if the family had reached out, if the family of Allu Arjun had reached out to the family of the victim, in this case Revati's husband Bhaskar and the child Sritej earlier, this the kind of situation that had developed may not have developed, and he felt that in this entire episode what needs to be done is that yes, more protocols for safety need to be followed. This comes on a day when Mr. Pawan Kalyan was in fact, producer Dil Raju had gone to meet Mr. Pawan Kalyan seeking certain concessions for his film that is coming up, Game Changer, which stars Ram Charan, who is of course Chiranjeevi's son as well. And Pawan Kalyan for the first time has spoken about the Allu Arjun episode, because even earlier it was expected whether he would come and meet Allu Arjun and whether he would express solidarity with him. So in a sense, Pawan Kalyan has played a very balanced card, talking about the government responsibilities and the action of the Chief Minister, justifying it and saying that Allu Arjun alone cannot be held responsible for what happened, because a film promotion or campaign is a team activity.